jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Brittany. So we just finished lunch here at Chewy's, my favorite spot. Did some damage. Hope y'all are having a great Tuesday. I'm trying to think, gotta get back to work, have a couple meetings, got some phone interviews to do. And guess what, y'all? I have a new video uploading today. It is the Allure and Nikki Tutorials December beauty box review. Make sure you check that out. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification.
Hey guys, what's up? Wow, it has been a day. It is 6:50 and I am just now really recording, other than the little snippet from lunch earlier today. Gosh, where did this day go? It was so long. I just don't even know where the day went. Don't even know. But anyways, I left my camera at home, so I didn't even really get to vlog much. I mean, of course I had my phone and that's what I was using at lunch, but I left my camera here at home on the charger. So, getting a little late start. But, y'all, I'm getting ready to cook dinner. I'm about to bow down and make some hamburger steaks and wait for Justin to get home so we can eat together, and then we are going to chill out. I'm gonna make me a medicine ball, of course, and just hang out, watch some TV, do a little work. Other than that, not a whole lot. Chong! Get out of Jax's food! Dog always eating. Oh. Anyways, all right, hope you all had a great day, a good Tuesday. Bye. Oh shit, that's hot. Good morning, everyone. Say hi, Jax. So, I already know what you're thinking. Candace, where the hell have you been? Guys, trust me, I would have much rather have been sitting in my house, driving in my car, being at work, walking to the mall, or spending time with my nephews, or my parents, or my husband. I mean, anybody. Other than where I was. Your girl had a little medical scare, so I was laid up in the hospital for a few days, but no worries. Oh my God, who's blowing me up? My mama checking on me. But no worries, your girl is back. Your girl is doing well, taking it easy, getting some rest, just kind of being lazy for a little bit, slowing it down, taking it easy. And yeah. Jax, are you glad mama's home? Yeah, he's super excited. So yeah, so we don't need to get into all the details and boringness of, you know, what's going on. The important thing is that your girl is back. So yeah, so I know I've missed this entire week of Vlogmas, but that's okay. We're just gonna pick up where we are today, and hopefully between now and Christmas morning we'll have some additional footage. But yeah, but I hope you all had a good week. Hope you had a much better week than I did, and I hope you all are done Christmas shopping and you're in the Christmas spirit and you're ready for Santa Claus, because your girl is. I'm ready to spend some time with friends and my husband and my family and just everybody. Well, I guess I really probably won't see any more friends until after Christmas at this point. So it's just me, my husband, my dogs, and our families, and we're gonna have just a great holiday. I am willing it. I am telling you, we are gonna have a great Christmas, guys. But anyways, so just to get you caught up, last night I really didn't do anything. I kind of stayed in the house, and let me show you what I got caught up on. So I got caught up on all of my wrapping, and so I'm super pumped because it was just piling up of boxes of stuff that I needed to wrap. So I finally got all of that done. Well, actually not all of it. I just, like, this stuff over here still needs to be wrapped. But for the most part, I got some things done. And so something that Justin and I always do is on Christmas Eve, we always do like matching pajamas or something. So I got these for us this year. And it says, "What the Elf?" And it's got like full pants, little elf pants and everything. So this is what we will be wearing on Monday. And on Monday, we will be going to Justin's parents' house to do Christmas over there with his family. And then on Tuesday, we will go down and have Christmas with my family. So I'm really excited just to have the next few days, well, today, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so 4 days, to really just kind of rest and relax and just take it easy and just enjoy life, enjoy family, enjoy making some memories, and just taking it easy. And then Wednesday, I will be back on the grind, back at work, in the office, kicking butt, taking names, because 2019, we are starting off with a bang, and I will tell you about that probably in a later video. So hope you guys have had a great week. I know this is a very short vlog, but just kind of wanted to keep you all in the loop, let you know what's going on, why I have been MIA. But don't forget to go ahead and give all of these videos a thumbs up. If you have missed Vlogmas and this is your first time tuning in, be sure to go back to the very first one and just binge watch. Click on the Vlogmas playlist and they will just keep going and rolling and you will not have missed a beat. But go ahead and give all the videos a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video and share my channel link with all of your family, friends, cousins, brothers, sisters, aunties, uncles, everybody you know. And yeah, oh, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future upload, because you guys, you all don't want to miss what's in store for 2019. So go ahead, get your notification icons and bells and all those good things turned on now so that you never miss anything. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.